Long flights can be a nightmare, especially when you're stuck in economy class. You're dealing with cramped seats, limited legroom, and noise from all directions. It's a perfect storm of discomfort. But don't worry, with the right mindset and preparation, you can turn that nightmare into a manageable experience. I've been on my fair share of long flights, and I've learned a thing or two about how to make the most of it. From choosing the right seat to packing the right gear, I'll share my top tips to help you survive long flights in economy class. Welcome back to Travel Vet, and join me as I take on the challenge of surviving long flights in economy class and share my essential tips to make it bearable. One of the biggest challenges of long flights is the physical discomfort. Your back hurts, your legs cramp up, and you can't seem to get comfortable no matter what you do. But there are ways to minimize this discomfort, and it all starts with preparation. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a beginner, these tips will help you navigate the world of long-haul flights with ease. You'll learn how to stay entertained, how to stay hydrated, and how to get some much-needed rest. When it comes to packing for a long flight, there are a few essentials you shouldn't leave home without. A good neck pillow, a pair of noise-canceling headphones, and a portable charger are just a few of the must-haves. You'll also want to consider packing some snacks, as the in-flight meal options can be limited and unhealthy. Fresh fruit, nuts, and energy bars are all great options to keep you fueled throughout the flight. And don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. In addition to the physical comforts, you'll also want to consider your entertainment options. A tablet or e-reader can be a great way to pass the time, and you can load it up with your favorite books, movies, and TV shows. When it comes to getting comfortable, it's all about finding the right position. You can use a lumbar support to take pressure off your back, and a footrest to take pressure off your legs. You can also do some stretching exercises to keep your blood flowing. As you prepare for your flight, be sure to wear comfortable clothing and layers, as the temperature on the plane can fluctuate, and don't forget to move around every once in a while to keep your blood flowing. Once you're on the plane, take a few minutes to get settled in and comfortable. Find a comfortable position, and take a few deep breaths to relax. You can also listen to calming music or nature sounds to help you unwind. If you're feeling anxious or stressed, try doing some meditation or deep breathing exercises. You can also bring a travel-sized stress ball to help you relax. When it comes to seating, the key is to find a spot with plenty of legroom. Look for seats near the bulkhead or in the emergency exit row, and if you can, try to avoid seats near the bathroom or galley. As you're getting ready for takeoff, be sure to turn off your phone and any other electronic devices, and don't forget to follow the instructions of the flight attendants. In terms of managing in-flight meals, be sure to eat lightly and avoid heavy, greasy foods. You can also bring your own snacks on board to supplement the in-flight meal options. To optimize sleep, try to get comfortable and relaxed as soon as possible. You can use a sleep mask or earplugs to block out the light and noise, and don't be afraid to ask the flight attendants for extra blankets or pillows. One of the biggest challenges of long flights is dealing with noise and discomfort. But with the right gear and mindset, you can minimize these distractions and get some rest. You can also bring a pair of earplugs or noise-canceling headphones to block out the noise. And if you're feeling cramped, try doing some stretching exercises to loosen up. To manage boredom, bring a book or puzzle to keep your mind engaged. You can also watch movies or TV shows on your tablet or phone. As you're getting ready to land, be sure to gather your belongings and follow the instructions of the flight attendants. And don't forget to stretch and move around after the flight to get your blood flowing again. In conclusion, surviving long flights in economy class requires preparation, patience, and flexibility. By following these tips, you can make your flight more manageable and even enjoyable. So the next time you're facing a long flight, don't stress. Just remember these essential tips and you'll be ready to go. To recap, the key to surviving long flights is to be prepared, stay comfortable, and manage your time wisely. Try out these tips on your next flight and see the difference for yourself, and if you have any tips of your own, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our other video for more travel tips and advice, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content.